Jaren Jackson Jr. Morant, oh my word! What a play by Morant!
I'm not mistaken, partner. He started off the last game in this building making 2 threes from the corner against this Grizzlies team.
Now the Grizzlies went on to blow out the Warriors. Step back three, Morant. That's in. Bain against Pajemski.
He's a comfortable corner three-point shooter, and you will not see him jump. Morant is able to make that shot through contact.
8 to shoot. Santos cuts through the lane. Curry, another three. Curry, way deep. Golden State a 5-point lead. Grizzlies have a foul to give. Curry. Pajemski with a miss, and the Grizzlies couldn't clear the glass, but now a steal by Jaren Jackson Jr. Morant, oh my word! What a play by Morant! Off the setup by Jaren Jackson. Curry turns the corner, drives, lays it up and in. 47 for Curry. 22 threes for Golden State. Morant, a three's in. 130-125.